Hey guys, welcome back to WebToTech YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change reading settings on Wattpad. So now without any further ado, let's begin with the steps. So first of all, launch Wattpad application on your mobile device. Here we go. Now once you are here, make sure that you are logged on to your account. Now simply tap on any story for now. Now once you are here, you can see that the reading mode is on scrolling mode. Now in order to change this, let's simply go back to our main homepage. And now simply tap on the circle icon that denotes your profile picture at the top right corner. Now once you are here, simply tap on the gear icon at the top right corner. Now over here, simply tap on the option of account settings just under edit profile. Now once you are here, just simply tap on the option of reading settings. Now once you are here, you can see that the reading mode has been set to scrolling. Now you can simply tap on paging. Okay, let's tap on it. And you can also turn on the toggle for orientation lock. Now let's go back to our main homepage and you can simply open your story. Just swipe your story to the left hand side and you can see that the reading mode has been changed to paging. Now another thing that you can do is just tap on the capital and small a at the top right corner. Over here, you can also change the background color of your story script, and you can also change the font, even increase or decrease the size of your reading font. So that's all for today, and if you found this video helpful and informative, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.